Hi, my name is Arpita and today we'll be making a newspaper bin liner. For this, obviously you need a newspaper first. Turn the newspaper vertical to start. Take the edge of the newspaper from the top, pull it down so that you make a triangle. There you go. You'll have this flap left because it's a rectangular piece of paper. You need to turn the sheet around and turn the flap up like this. Now you need to take this edge and bring it to the center of this side like this. Next, take this edge and bring it to this. It's almost ready. What you need to do is pull these flaps down. One towards this side, turn the sheet around, and then this one down here. And voila! Your bin liner is ready. And the great thing about the flaps is that you can use it to affix the liner to the bin, like this. Take the flap, fix it at the back. And there you go, ready to use.